Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Firstly, my apologies as I did not post any videos for the subscribers. Honestly speaking, as the markets are recovering, there are many good opportunities, so I was trying to give more time to the paid members. Anyhow, I'm back. Let's start analyzing DFM market index on the weekly chart. We can see a nice recovery from our support area, that is 4,658 points. By the way, if you remember, right at the top I had mentioned there are very high chances of a deeper correction. Exactly this is what we saw. I was expecting market to hit 4,500 points. Thankfully, we did not see market coming into this zone. We saw a bounce from 4,650 points. This is quite interesting. After so many red candles, finally market is recovering. We are seeing a V-shaped recovery. Right from the top, that is 5,400 points. We saw a drop and now we are seeing a nice push to the upside. If at all you are watching my analysis regularly, then you know next area of resistance is right here at 5,226 points. Last week when we saw market was trying for a breakout, it was not able to do so. This is area of hurdle, that is 5,226 points to 5,280 points. Once this zone is cleared out, then definitely we will expect market to go higher from here. In that scenario, 5,393 is next resistance, and then we have 5,565 points. If I use my Fibonacci tool, right from the top where the correction started till the lowest point of this correction, then we can see already market has recovered more than 0.618%, that is a golden ratio of Fibonacci, and now it's getting rejected at 0.786 zone. This is also another zone of Fibonacci. The most important thing here is we want to see clearance of this zone to confirm the resistance is taken out, and from here, once this is done, we will see most likely market breaking out the previous swing, that is 5,393 points. Overall, on the weekly chart, we can clearly see market is still in a strong uptrend after this push to the downside or a deeper correction. Now it's gaining momentum for a new high. Overall, it's very positive. There are many good opportunities. Let's go down to daily and see how the market is looking or how the DFM market index is performing. Clearly, this is resistance. Right after this candle itself, I had posted a short video on YouTube mentioning this area is rejected by the market, and from here we should be expecting more downside momentum. And exactly this is what was seen in Friday's session. We saw a red candle. From here there are chances market would like to bounce up from 5,115 points. This is now a strong zone for DFM market index between 5,060 points and 5,115 points. Previously we can see market took a pause here. It established a base for at least 3 to 4 days, and from here we are seeing a thrust to the upside. This is positive. Now the need of the hour is we want to see a candle closing like this during this week or coming week, provided we don't go below this zone, that is 5,000 points. If that happens, then from here we can expect market to hit the base again, that is around 4,600 points. I hope that does not happen after this price action. We do not want market to turn negative again unless and until there is another round of negative news or there is any new development in regards to the global trade war. Hopefully that will not happen. I'm bullish biased. DFM market index on the daily chart is just going through a small correction after this big recovery move. I think very soon it will move up and break out this area, that is 5,393 points. On the other hand, ADX market index for the last 2 weeks, it's going up. We can see nice solid green candles. It has now entered important area of resistance between 9,350 and this area, that is 9,400 points. We can see a small rejection last week. It was trying for a breakout, got rejected. That's the reason I had already mentioned when I compare ADX market index with DFM, ADX is looking more weaker, DFM is looking more promising. Anyhow, we can see a recovery right from this area, that is 8,774 points. If we calculate through our Fibonacci tool right here, then we can see it has just crossed 0.618%, whereas DFM market index has even gone past 0.786. So ADX is still lagging. It is a bit slow. It has to catch up. But still, we cannot say it is negative. It's trying, and there are good chances that it may hit 9,563. That is next area of hurdle. Let's go down to daily and see how the ADX market is looking. We can see in Thursday's session, market broke this resistance. Potentially it's coming down for a retest, and then we will see breakout of this area to visit 9,563 points. ADX market index has gone through a nice consolidation phase. It was very precise. Right here we can see for about a week market went sideways above important support, that is 9,245 points. I had explained earlier as well, this zone was previously a support. Once this support was broken right here, when market tried again for a breakout with this candle, it got rejected. After the rejection, it came down and again it tried for the breakout. This time it was obviously a success. It went through aggressively. So there are very high chances, if at all, ADX market index wants to come down, this zone will act as a support. If this fails, we have 9,245 and then 9,160 points. On the upper side or on the positive side, yes, we have resistance at 9,563 points. If at all during this week it can break out 9,445, then we will be ready for 9,563. Overall, ADX market is going through a recovery phase after this strong downside momentum, and previously also after this drop we did not see 100% recovery. Market could not take out the high, that is 9,815. It came down, went through this consolidation chart pattern. A breakout was seen which was not a success right at this point itself. I had mentioned we are not seeing a big thrust or a big move that can be taken as legit or we can count on it. This was very slow momentum, very indecisive move till about 9,653, and then obviously we are seeing a big drop. So still it's a bit weaker, it's just going through a correction phase. Hopefully market will break this resistance soon. One of the stock that is showing good signs of recovery and signs of trend reversal is Bourjil. I'm on the daily chart. Dividends are already done. We can see after the dividends it has made a nice bullish price action. Immediate resistance is also taken out, that is 1.56. Closing is right at the dot. After the breakout, market usually adjusts itself for a day or two, and then if at all it breaks the high, that is 1.60, we will consider this very bullish. From here there are chances it may hit next area of resistance at 1.96. If at all the low of this red candle is taken out, then it will become negative. It can come down to revisit 1.44, and from here we will see how the price action develops, whether it's going sideways, it's going down, or it's making a breakout. If we look at the previous price action right from the top, we know Bourjil made a high till about 3.55, and from here it's been declining aggressively. Almost all red candles. Yes, it's in a downtrend. This is only early signs of reversal, that now after the downtrend it's trying to change and reverse to start a uptrend. So yes, fresh entries are recommended. If at all tomorrow it opens flat or with a gap up, this would be a positive sign. From here, once it breaks 1.60, we can definitely take our positions. We will plan our stop loss exactly at the next support zone, that is 1.44. From here, we are targeting 1.96 to 2.00 as our take profit area. So overall, Bourjil is looking interesting. We are seeing initial signs of trend reversal. Hopefully it should continue. I will be positive till the time it does not break below this support, that is 1.40. So guys, this was the quick update. For more detailed analysis, you may join my YouTube membership by scanning this QR code. Also, link is provided in the description. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button to show your support. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.